The government has been urged to smoothen the transition of students to junior secondary schools by engaging all schools, including the low-cost private schools known as upbid schools. According to stakeholders in the private schools led by upbid schools chairman Moses Wokono, have urged parents to be responsible and ensure their children are safe during the long holiday as they prepare for transition. They spoke at Excellence School in Kawangware during transition celebrations.
Those that are able to get infrastructure in place by January, that's great. But those that are not able, I think that should not necessarily mean that grade 9 cannot continue. So schools should be encouraged to pursue alternative ways of hosting their pupils as they will look forward to more permanent buildings.
We just call upon the government to make it easier or cheaper for the parents to purchase them so that each and every pupil can have access to them.
We might not have enough infrastructure in both the public schools and the private schools. So at some point we need to have an infrastructure, an audit in infrastructure for some of the upbid schools which can be in a position to host even grade 8, grade 7 and 8.
We also still have some challenges in terms of learning materials, but we know as time goes by, the government is going to offer a great solution towards ensuring that CBC is a success in our school. We are prepared with the great preparation that we have had. We know that in Kipsea, as the children are going to go for their exams, we know that they are going to do a great work.
A call has been made to teachers to set a day in their calendar for a fun day to ensure they take care of their mental health.